Hola Desi people, ¿cómo estás? Please subscribe to Desi in English. Previously on our home gardening series.
Bahubali, 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 Bahubali. Oh man, this guy is serious about planting.
Cilantro transplant surgery.
Good one. And you, don't worry baby, don't worry. Someday you'll grow up to be like that guy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I didn't see this plant coming. So, is this part of your plan as well?
Yeah, as I was saying, to make the balcony look beautiful, we need some flowers. So we brought the Celosia plant.
Oh, Celosia. I think it's an ornamental plant, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. So this plant will also be transplanted to a big pot?
Yeah.
Cool.
The same procedure and the same struggle.
Okay.
So yeah, first we fill like, I would say 1/4 of the pot with potting mix.
Okay.
Just to give it a base.
Sure.
That should be good enough. It's dry soil, so just water it a bit.
Makes sense.
And now the real struggle, how to transfer it, so I need to figure it out.
This one is very odd pot, like doesn't have an easy shape to
Yeah.
repot or transplant, whatever maybe the terminology is. Oh, wow, those are the roots.
Yep, looks like it.
How beautiful it is. So Jimit's struggle continues. And for people who are watching this, you might think that these guys doesn't have a job or something like that. That's why they are spending a lot of time on this. That's totally a myth, guys. We are engineers, and especially Jimit being a networking engineer, it's very hard for him to find time, but still he found time for growing some plants. So these are the kind of citizens that this globe requires.
Yep, save Earth.
Save Earth. Wow! You guys
Finally.
made it!
We need to get the expert help.
So these things can be considered as tips while repotting them or transplanting plants to bigger pots.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy.
I mean, when you pour water, it will mix everything
Yes.
with the original plant.
Okay. Following the same technique while pouring water, like it should not be pouring, it should be sprinkling. Maybe your hand should go on top of the plant when you take the water.
Yeah, I don't want much water in the plant.
Finally, the transplanting of these beautiful and cute baby plants is completed. And you, don't worry baby, don't worry. Someday you'll grow up to be like that guy. Friends, as part of our home gardening series, last week we planted a cilantro into a big pot, right, for the first time. So let us see the status of that plant, how it's growing, and let's go. And you might have a question that I'm going away from our house. Yes, the reason is our plants are not in our patio anymore, because when we first kept our plants there, we observed for 2 to 3 days, and we have moved it to this corridor where you can see on both east and west sides you can get the sunlight. That's why we placed it here. So this is where we kept our cilantro plant. Looks like it's not growing much, but it's at least in a good shape. I don't see any weed coming out of this pot, so we are good now. I will keep posting the status of this plant every week. Please subscribe to our channel Desi in US.